Love yourself first.
Okay.
Definitely. Choose those who choose you.
Talino. Ang dami niyong one-liner eh. Oh. Panalo eh. Ang galing
Yeah.
talaga. Choose those who choose you. Kasi huwag mo ipipilit ang sarili mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, kita mo, inabol ka ni Norman. Oh, nakita mo effort. Oh, the rest is history.
And I choose him forever.
Yes!
Oh my
Forever
God.
talaga. Ako nawiwindang dito eh. Hindi kasi very seldom that yung openness, ang babae kasi reserve eh.
Yeah.
They don't want to share their feelings or thoughts to their partner kasi para ma-expose yung weakness. Because there are some guys, they take it as an advantage. So parang weakness yun. No? Mahal na mahal ako niyan. Kahit ano mangyari, hindi ako iwan niya. But I'm happy for you that your openness gives you a very good